Here's how you customize a Centro record block within Microsoft Teams. First, navigate to the three dots and hit the Customize button. That's going to bring up three main segments of the record block that you can customize. First are adding and removing fields from the record block. Click the Add or Remove Fields buttons, and then by clicking on the caret, you can see all the fields that you can then add to the record block. Select the ones that are of interest for you and press Save. Once you customize the record block, it will be customized for all records of that object and will override the default record block, which is based on the compact layout. Next is new buttons. These buttons are out of the box Centro new buttons based on the related items associated to that object. Select which items you want and press Save. Creating these items requires a Salesforce connected user and a Salesforce license. Finally, custom buttons. Custom buttons can be added to fire a platform event to your Salesforce org by clicking the Fire Platform Event button and naming the platform event. Or you can select one of your custom Centro forms that can then be updated. These can be updated by either an automation user or a Centro connected user if you want to require authentication for each user in Salesforce. Those are the three pieces that allow you to customize a record block. Once customized, you can refresh and that will display the changes that you have made. And you can always edit the record block. And again, this uses your Salesforce permissions to display the fields that you have access to make edits to that record. That is an overview on the Microsoft Teams Centro record block. Please reach out with any questions.